YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. And this is coming from PeaceNest. 3-piece comforter set. Sherpa. Super comfy. I already did the king size in the other video, so definitely check that out. But this is the queen. Really comfortable, guys. I'm telling you, you guys will be very happy with this purchase. So hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Alrighty, guys, take a look at the queen size. And like I said, all you gotta do, click that link and place your order now. They got Prime Day sales still going on. In case you guys missed it, definitely check the new ones out they have. Really nice packaging, extra care. Be careful when you open this. You might rip the Sherpa. So just be careful. Just slow down and take it easy. Now he's got to grab it from a loosey end because it does expand. So it's a warning. It does expand when it gets bigger. Here we go. See? Let's grab it like that. There we go. You can hear it hissing. There we go. A couple more cuts. And just be careful. There we go. Scissors are done. As you can see, it's inflating. Gotta rip it open more. Oops. Let me move you guys. There's fine. And it comes with 2 pillowcases and a queen size comforter. So you got a good deal, package deal. Clean up the mess. Be good to go in a second. Now I'll put this over my bed, so we'll hop into my room in a minute. But this is super comfy, guys. If you got dogs, they love it. So look at that. Super comfy, guys. You could instantly fall asleep on this. Especially during the winter time. Be a nice one to have for when guests come over. Especially in cabins, ski resorts. But it is heavy. You get one pillowcase, and here's the other one. So both got the Sherpa, and this is what the front looks like. Like I said, super soft, machine washable, so you can just throw it in the machine. And there's the material. Gotta love the Sherpa. Alright, we're gonna hop in my room. I just gotta clean it up for a minute. It's been sick the last week and a half, but finally better now. But yeah, definitely a nice one. Great material. Super warm, super comfy. Be right back. Alright, guys, we are in the room now. Got the plaque right there. Still, and here it is. Really nice. Queen size Sherpa. Pillowcases looking good. Nice and fluff. That's what it looks like on the bottom. Same with this. Here we go. There you go, guys. So if you're looking for something super comfy for the winter time, or in case anytime, this is a good way to go out. They got good deals going on now. And all you gotta do is click that link down below. Get you some Sherpa comforters. Super comfy though. Here we go. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good weekend.